Hey y'all, welcome back to Lacrestalife. For all of you listing clients out there, this is one of the most critical things that we do. We hire a professional photographer to get drone, video, still shots, and make your house look wonderful. Let's go inside.
Growing up in Texas, I've always loved the country. As an adult, I found myself in Southern California, searching for the good life. It wasn't until 2002 that I discovered my true paradise, the beautiful hilltop community of La Cresta, high above the Temecula Valley. Now, I want to show others how they can live their best life as well. I'm Kelly Smith. Come with me as we explore my little piece of heaven. This is Lacrestalife.
We got a little lucky on this one. We happen to have a homeowner who is absolutely impeccable. Her design is amazing, her aesthetic is just gorgeous, and she's obviously a very neat and tidy person. So I didn't have to do a lot, but not everybody lives like this. So our services include coming in, kind of doing a walk around if you've got some questions about what should be left, how it should be staged. Are there some things we can move around and make it look a little bit more appealing to the masses? That's certainly something that we do. In this case, didn't have to do it. Love this house, but I also love the challenge of, kind of co-creating with our clients and reimagining their space that they've lived in for a long time. So definitely something that we offer, so don't be afraid of that part of it. So to make us look really good, we hire the best. Hey, Nick, you're the best.
Hi, thank you.
He is a wonderful photographer. He always makes us look good. We adore him. Notice behind me that there are pictures on the wall. Those are not family. They're not grandchildren. They're not children. They're not pictures of your family that strangers shouldn't see. In my opinion, strangers don't have the right to look at your family. They have to earn that right. And I think when you put your house on the market, if you really are serious and you're going to be moving anyway, just go ahead and pack up the pictures. And if you have to, stage it with some things that are not your family. You're trying to set up a environment where people can imagine their own family, and pictures of your family only distract from that. So try to neutralize that by using photos and pictures that are not really, really private to you. I know it's hard because you want your pictures on the wall, but you're going to be moving anyway. So pack them up gently, take your time, go through the house, and get them all tidied up, put them in a box, because if you're doing it right, you're going to sell your house. Hopefully we're going to sell your house. And you're going to need those pictures at your next house anyway. I'm often asked if the homeowner should be home on the day of the photographs. And I was just now reminded why, if you can avoid it. Because I just walked by a window and our photographer was outside shooting in, and if I can see him, the camera can see me. So the whole day turns into a sequence of hiding from the photographer. So if you can avoid that, go for a walk, go for a drive. It generally takes, in our case, usually 2 to 3 hours, because we're getting still shots. We're getting video inside and outside, and then we're getting drone videos of the entire property. So it does take a little while, but hint, hint, go for a walk and don't play this game of hiding from the photographer. The takeaway from today's experience is always have a great photographer, plan ahead, ask for help We will help you make some choices on how to stage the house. Sometimes just using your own furniture and moving things around a little bit. It's fun to get creative that way. We aren't professional stagers, but if we need that, we'll bring one in. And give yourself plenty of time, get everything tidy. We'll come in and turn all the lights on, and we'll turn all the lights off when we leave, open the windows and all the things that we need to make the best shots. But it's a really important piece of it, so plan ahead, tidy up, and it's the first step in getting your house on the market. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today and breaking up my 2 to 3 hour photo shoot. We'll look forward to seeing you next time on lacrestalife.
Got questions about buying or selling a home in La Cresta or the Santa Rosa Plateau? Call or text me, Kelly Smith, at 951-837-1650. For a free copy of my exclusive reports on La Cresta, visit my website at lacresta.com. This is Kelly Smith. Until next time on La Cresta Life.